Welcome to Tint Guy LLC, your trusted source for recommended paint protection film services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Protect your vehicle's pristine finish with our top-quality paint protection film installation. Our expert technicians use premium 3M films to shield your car from road debris, stone chips, and environmental damage. At Tint Guy LLC, we offer customized solutions to fit your specific needs and budget. Our paint protection film is virtually invisible, preserving your vehicle's original appearance. We use precision cutting techniques to ensure a perfect fit for every curve and contour of your car. Experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your investment is protected. Our film not only guards against physical damage, but also helps maintain your car's resale value. We offer full front-end protection, covering the hood, fenders, mirrors, and bumper. For ultimate protection, consider our full-body paint protection film package. Our installation process is meticulous, ensuring a flawless, bubble-free application. The self-healing properties of our film mean minor scratches disappear with just a bit of heat. We stand behind our work with a comprehensive warranty on both the film and installation. Our state-of-the-art facility in Murfreesboro is equipped with the latest tools and technology. We pride ourselves on quick turnaround times, often completing installations in just one day. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service and satisfaction. Don't wait for damage to occur. Protect your vehicle today with Tint Guy LLC's paint protection film services. We also offer window tinting and other automotive enhancement services to complement your paint protection. Ready to safeguard your car's finish? Contact Tint Guy LLC now at 615-410-3805 for the best paint protection in Murfreesboro.